I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on till midnight. I want somebody to hold my.
Taki. It's so warm today. Yeah, Rutchen, Chanel. It's so warm, so good. I love this weather. I can now walk with my no socks. Hey, I feel so good. She reached playground. She left me behind. She's so she's so ready to play. Live here. She loves it outside and the weather is so good. Oh my god, I can't believe it's where summer is coming. See how she's so ready. Oh my god, this girl loves to play. Hey, hello. Wee! This is called Rutchen. To slide is to Rutchen. What are you doing? Shower. Okay.
The next day.
Let's finish our shoes. Just finish making them. And this is a lot of shoes that baby girl don't wear anymore. I want to take them to Kela. I will give them out. These ones are the ones that we are still wearing. I've cleaned here and arranged them back. See how babies 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a lot of shoes, but me, hey, I have a lot of shoes. This is just some are somewhere. Yeah, I wake up to clean. Now let me go and remove some of the clothes too. Got this remote holder from Amazon. It comes in handy. You can do a lot of things, hold a lot of things here. I'm holding coaster and remote holder. Remotes, yeah. Right now I'm watching Jessica Tronovec. I don't know if I'm saying yeah name correct. As I'm cleaning and I'm watching her videos of what she eats in a day. Yeah. So guys, today I am home. I'm not working, so today I'm home. I just baked a cake. I just baked this cake and some parts of it I put them in muffins because baby girl would really love to eat the ones as muffin. Oh god. So I'm home alone. Babe needs to go for a surgery. Yeah, something is wrong with his leg, so he needs to go for a surgery, which he will be going for appointment very soon to check. Yeah, I will tell you more about it when everything. This cake is dry. Why is it breaking? When everything is all going well, fine. Yeah, I have like 10 minutes to go pick baby girl up since I am at home alone. Yeah. So after I cut it into pieces, I usually put it in this place. It's so soft and yummy. You see? Yeah. I don't know where this plate goes to. So I can just put it here for one. Since I'm going out, I'm going to pick baby girl up in 10 minutes. Let me eat the leftover. Agadesh in me. Watch this one. So the shoes that I declutter, I'm taking them to the basement with the stuff that we don't use now. As I go for Olivia, it's time. Ooh, I will fall down. Here is the basement. You come from upstairs then here. Lights on. Yeah, this is our basement. It has this. It's nothing fancy. It's just like a storeroom where we put stuff. Yeah. Let me go. Lichthaus. Lichthaus. It's coming so strong. Oh my god. And I only carried one umbrella, which is so small. Oh god. Why now? So guys, I only left Olivia's umbrella because she has that roller. They call it roller here, but it's scooter of English. So I thought that when she was riding that roller, we will not need an umbrella, and the weather forecast is saying that it's not going to rain now. Though I carried this one umbrella, but I will not trust this weather again. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you're doing fine. Yes, we're doing fine, only that my hubby has to go for a foot surgery. Something entered its leg, and they have to check and then how to remove it. I don't know, things keep happening, like we can't just feel like anyway. Thank you so much for the support. May God bless you. Let me hurry up, bring baby girl. Hopefully this rain will be light like this, so we can ride home fast. Yeah, see you in a few minutes.
Nobody, I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
Weiter. I'm waiting for you. Are you enjoying? What are you doing? Don't do that. You pour things down. I bring you here to sleep. You did not sleep.
Where pants open so
I don't know.
yeah.
Come and sleep.
We have so much career.
Come and sleep. Hey. Hi guys, I'm back here. Ignore that cake. I was eating that cake. Oh my god, something. I was boiling meat here when I was making baby girl's hair, and the meat almost burned the house. I was like, I'm in the bathroom. I locked the door, and then I'm hearing this this sound, this hard sound. So it's smoke detector. It has already, the meat is burning and it's removing smoke. Oh my god, that was so loud. I'm like, the people, the fire people will be here in a, oh god, that was so loud. I had to open all the windows, try to touch the the smoke detector to stop it. Oh my god, this is I think it's my first time see the smoke detector is going off on me and it's so loud like that. It really scared me like hell. I was like, what's going on? I totally forgot that I was I was boiling meat and it started burning like until it's, oh my god, I really put a lot of amount of fire, the number on high, so it burned. It did not burn so badly, but down a little bit of it. That thing really scared me. So right now I'm cooking the remaining one with rice. I'll show you when I'm done. Yeah, so this is what I made for baby girl. She's so disturbing, I can't even show you. This is what I made for her. Yeah.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
So baby's back. You got this. You got this. More food. More food stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Olivia, my love.
Did you see Papa?
Papa Kussi.
Give Papa kiss. Mwah, good. Thank you, Daddy. You get yogurt. Finish your food.
Massage daddy.
What are you doing?
Sure.
You too. What are you doing? Olivia, calm down. Let Papa do his job. What's this no? Why are you telling me no? Let Papa do his job.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me, maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm.
Guys, yeah, it's me getting ready to leave. It's already 7. Since we start by 8:37, I have to take a shower quickly and take baby girl to school. I have already taken, today I wake up, I wanted to drink that tea, fruit tea. I don't know how it would be called like that. So let me get ready and we go ASAP by 7:30 because I want to be at the bus stop 7:30 or 7:40. I should be at the bus stop by 8. Yeah, by 8 or 8:10, so that the bus will be taking me by 8:20 or 8:15. I will be at my place of work. Yeah, so that by 8:30 we start. So I'm going to stop this video here. I prepare, I take baby girl to school, and then I go. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. May God bless you. And if you're new here, you're so much welcome. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share, and tell me in the comment section what videos do you want to see, because right now I'm running out. Yeah, I'm running out of content. I don't have time for pranks. I don't know, but tell me in the comment section what you want to see, because so many people of you are not watching anymore, so I don't know what's wrong. So see you in the next video. Bye.